everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's look I have a beautiful dramatic green eyeshadow look that is perfect for the holidays, perfect for Christmas, perfect for any party or event that you guys are going to and you want a dramatic green smoky eye. If you guys would like to see how I create this look, please keep on watching. So I just took a shower. I did wash my face in the shower and I also toned. So I will now be going in with my Mario Rose Water Spray, just to replenish that hydration. And the weather is changing and I do have dry skin, so I can take all the hydration I can get. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Good Molecules Hyaluronic Acid Serum. And this is formulated to draw moisture into your skin for deeper hydration. A little bit of this goes a long way, so I just put like 2 drops on each side or maybe just 1 giant drop, and I just kind of rub it around my face. This is what I would do during the day. In the night, I do have something a little different. I do use like a vitamin E and C serum along with an eye gel, but I can share that in another video. To finish everything off, I'm going to go in with this Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Face Cream for dry skin. And this I picked up at Target. The other 2 products that I previously used, I got them at Ulta. So I just put a really little amount of this because it's really creamy and it just covers the entire surface of my face. To finish everything off, I will be going in with my Vaseline Lip Therapy. Before I get into my makeup, I'm going to be putting on my jewelry. I totally forgot about that. So I am wearing Christmas tree earrings. They are so adorable and they are very lightweight. Me and my sister had gotten them on an online shop called The Poison Apple. And I have a little crystal white bracelet and then just a simple little gem necklace. So I am going to go in and conceal first, cover up some of these eye bags and any extra blemishes on my face. And this moisturizer acts as a wonderful base for makeup, if anyone was wondering. And sorry, my hair is a little wild. I did just come out of the shower and it's semi-wet-ish, but all the curls and the waves are just coming out right now. And I did get a question about that on Instagram with like my reels. Do you do foundation or concealer first? It's totally up to you. If you want to color correct or cover any blemishes, I would highly suggest you conceal first and then put foundation. And if you want, you can add more concealer on top just to, you know, highlight and brighten some high points. But it is totally up to you however you want to do your makeup. The paintbrush is in your hand. It is totally up to you what you want to create on your face. I am now going to be going in with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation, and this is in the shade Warm Honey. I was actually scared about putting it, squeezing on my face like that, because I haven't used it in like maybe a week because I was going through all my different foundations and it squirted all over and made a huge mess on my comforter and everything like that, but I unclogged it by doing that. But so far so good, it's working. To get my hair out of the way, I just ended up throwing it into a random bun. Until we get to the end of the video, I'm still deciding on how I want to style my hair. Maybe we'll go with a bun, but we'll see at the end. I think I'm okay with the concealer that I put under and then the foundation. I don't typically go in with too much concealer just to not make anything cakey. If I do, I just put really light layers and just build everything. But I will be going in with some cream contour, and this is the NYX HD Studio in CW 8.6. If you have seen my recent Diwali makeup video, I did use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer to cream contour. It was a bit much, not going to lie, it was very heavy. If it was under eye concealer, I would have loved it. It was kind of hard to blend. Like a little bit of product for that goes a long way. And what I love about the NYX one is just very blendable and lightweight. And you see like the instant result with this one. And it's not too bronzy. This one is just like a dark brown glow. The other one had like a little warm like tinge to it. And I just really prefer this one. But I did try the e.l.f. one. And it wasn't too bad, but I do prefer this one over the e.l.f. one. Before I go on to my eyes, I will be setting everything with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I love this stuff. Keeps my makeup lasting all day. I always like to powder contour on top of a cream contour for a more enhanced look. So for that, I will be using the Such a Rush palette by Colourpop. I love this little palette. It's a lifesaver. The pigmentation in this palette is just to die for, and I love it. Like, a little product goes a long way. I'm going to be going in with some blush. I will be using a Freaky Genius Girl by the High School Musical line from Colourpop. For highlight, I will be going in with the Cocoa Pebbles highlighter from Makeup Revolution. Love the cereal and the highlighter. I love that inside of it has so many different shades, so like if you want to be specifically gold or you want to be a little lighter or mix them all, I love that. And all of these little palettes are so compact, like if you ever had to go anywhere or travel, like you could just throw them in a little bag. So because I am wearing Christmas tree earrings and you could see a little bit of my dark green shirt, I was going for a very dramatic like green eyeshadow look today. I was going to be using my James Charles palette, but I did go into my sister's room and take her Harry Potter Colourpop palette. Just look inside of this palette. Like, this is gorgeous. I do want to use this beautiful green and like just kind of mix these brownie taupes in this green with this very bright white shade, and we're just gonna go from there. And I just have a little mini mirror so I can see this up close. The pigmentation on this is just perfect. I love Colourpop's formula. Now I'm just going to be going in and just deepening that outer V with some more of that dark green and just ever so slightly blending everything together. To make it even more smoldery, I will be going in with some black and gray eyeshadow mixed for the outer V. And I want this to be dramatic, so I am going in with a heavy hand. I will now be taking that bright white shadow I had previously shown and packing that into my inner corner. And I do drag that up just a tiny bit in the front of my eye. And I'll just be throwing the excess into my brow bone area. Before I go on any further, I will be filling in my brows. To do that, I will be using a dark chocolate brown shade from the James Charles palette. Brows are now complete, and now it is time to add some winged eyeliner. To enhance this look even more, I will be going in with this little Elsa jar of glitter from Colourpop. This looks so pretty. I'm so happy with it. I love the glitter and all the sparkles. Alright, I will be going in with lashes for this look. I was going to be going in with mascara only, but I was like, lashes would definitely complete this beautiful dramatic look. So to complete the look, I will be going in with these Vegas Nail lashes, and these are the Grand and Glamour Dramatic Lashes. I will be applying my lashes off camera, but I have shown how to put on lashes in my previous videos if you guys would like to see how I do it. Alrighty, lashes are on, and now I'm going to blend everything with the mascara. Just for a little bright appearance, I will be adding some white eyeliner to my waterline. For lips, I will be lining my lips with my Morphe lip pencil in the shade Richie. I will now be going in with my Kat Von D liquid lipstick in the shade Crucifix. I only put a little bit of Crucifix because I will be topping it off with Morphe's liquid lipstick in the shade Taunt. To top this beautiful lip combo off, I think we should add some gloss. I'll be going in with the e.l.f. Clear Lip Lacquer. And and it's not even really transferring to the brush, which is really nice. My younger sister loves lip glosses, so I was like, do you have some that I could borrow, or do you think that this look needs a gloss? So we went with gloss. Alright everyone, so that was it for today's video. I hope you guys had so much fun watching me create this beautiful dramatic green look. Perfect for the holidays, perfect for Christmas, any dramatic look you guys want to create. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to leave some comments down below on what other videos you guys would like to see. And don't forget to turn on that notifications bell so you guys will never miss any uploads of mine. With all of that said, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.